Welcome back to Carcrafted, the place where passion meets precision and the future of performance comes to life. Today, we're standing face to face with something truly extraordinary. This isn't just another supercar reveal, and it's definitely not business as usual. What you're looking at is the 2026 Ferrari F80, a machine that represents Ferrari's boldest vision of speed, technology, and emotion wrapped into one breathtaking form. The moment you see the Ferrari F80, it's clear this car was not designed to be subtle. Every line, every curve, and every surface serves a purpose. Ferrari didn't build the F80 to politely exist in traffic, they built it to dominate the road and the track alike. The stance is wide and planted, hugging the ground as if gravity itself has been re-engineered around it. The design language speaks fluently in aerodynamics, drawing inspiration from Ferrari's Formula One and Le Mans heritage while pushing far beyond what we've seen before. Up front, the F80 feels sharp, aggressive, and unapologetic. The nose sits low and wide, channeling air with surgical precision. Slim LED lighting slices through the bodywork, giving the car a futuristic, almost predatory expression. Massive air intakes are seamlessly integrated, feeding the cooling systems and generating downforce without ruining the elegance Ferrari is known for. This is the kind of design that looks fast even when the car is standing still, and once it starts moving, it becomes pure visual theater. Slide along the side profile and you start to appreciate just how dramatic the proportions really are. The Ferrari F80 carries a mid-engine layout that's clearly visible in its silhouette. The roofline flows smoothly into the rear haunches, which are muscular and sculpted like they've been carved by airflow itself. Carbon fiber side skirts sit low, emphasizing the car's width and performance-focused stance. The wheels fill the arches perfectly, and the tires look ready to grip the asphalt with relentless force. Then comes the rear, and this is where the F80 truly announces its intentions. The back end is aggressive, technical, and beautifully complex. Futuristic LED taillights glow with a sharp, distinctive signature that's unmistakably Ferrari yet entirely new. The quad exhaust setup sits proudly above a massive carbon fiber diffuser, designed to manage airflow and maximize stability at extreme speeds. The rear vents hint at the engineering masterpiece hiding underneath, reminding you that this car is as much about performance as it is about presence. Now let's talk about what really defines the Ferrari F80, performance. Ferrari has always lived by the philosophy that racing improves the breed, and the F80 takes that belief to its absolute limit. Under the sculpted body lies a hybrid powertrain engineered to deliver explosive performance with astonishing efficiency. A high-revving internal combustion engine works in harmony with advanced electric motors, producing a combined output that pushes well beyond the 4-digit horsepower mark. Acceleration is nothing short of violent. The F80 launches with instant torque from its electric system, while the combustion engine screams as it builds power through the rev range. 0 to 60 happens in barely over 2 seconds, and the car continues to pull with relentless force well into triple-digit speeds. This isn't just straight-line speed either. Ferrari has tuned the chassis, suspension, and aerodynamics to make the F80 devastatingly effective through corners, giving drivers confidence and control even at the edge of physics. The steering is razor-sharp, communicating every nuance of the road directly to the driver's hands. Ferrari's advanced electronic systems work quietly in the background, enhancing grip and stability without dulling the raw driving experience. This balance between cutting-edge technology and emotional connection is where Ferrari truly shines, and the F80 might be the brand's finest example yet. Step inside the Ferrari F80, and the focus shifts entirely to the driver. The cockpit feels like it was lifted straight out of a race car and refined for the road. The steering wheel is packed with controls, putting everything you need right at your fingertips. There's no clutter here, no unnecessary distractions. Every element exists to enhance focus, control, and immersion. The digital instrument cluster adapts in real time, displaying critical information with crystal clarity. Carbon fiber dominates the interior, paired with premium leather and Alcantara that add just enough luxury without compromising the car's performance-first identity. The seats hold you firmly in place, designed to keep you comfortable and secure whether you're cruising down the highway or attacking a racetrack. Despite its hardcore nature, the Ferrari F80 doesn't forget about modern expectations. Advanced connectivity, Customizable driving modes, and intelligent driver assistance systems are all seamlessly integrated. Ferrari understands that even the most extreme cars still need to function in the real world, and the F80 manages to do that without losing its soul. What truly sets the 2026 Ferrari F80 apart is how it represents the future of Ferrari as a brand. This car isn't just about being faster than the last one. It's about redefining what a Ferrari can be in an era where performance, efficiency, and sustainability must coexist. The hybrid system isn't a compromise, it's an enhancement, delivering sharper response, improved balance, and greater overall capability. On the road, the F80 feels alive. Every throttle input, every steering correction, and every braking moment reminds you that this car was engineered by people who genuinely love driving. The exhaust note is aggressive yet refined, blending the mechanical roar of the engine with a futuristic edge that suits the car's advanced nature. It's the kind of sound that gives you goosebumps, the kind that makes every drive feel like an event. Ownership of the Ferrari F80 is about more than just performance figures or design accolades. It's about being part of Ferrari's legacy, a lineage that stretches back decades and includes some of the most iconic vehicles ever built. The F80 carries that history proudly while carving its own path forward, proving that Ferrari can evolve without losing its identity. This is a car that will turn heads wherever it goes, not just because of how it looks, but because of what it represents. Innovation, passion, and uncompromising performance come together in a way that only Ferrari can achieve. The F80 isn't trying to please everyone, and that's exactly why it's so special. It's built for those who truly understand what a Ferrari is meant to be. As we wrap things up here at Carcrafted, one thing is clear. The 2026 Ferrari F80 isn't just another chapter in Ferrari's story, it's a statement. A declaration that the future of performance cars can be electrified, intelligent, and still deeply emotional. It's proof that driving excitement is far from dead, and in fact, it's evolving into something even more thrilling. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Ferrari F80, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Carcrafted, and let us know in the comments what you think about Ferrari's vision for the future. Would you take the F80 on the track, or would you savor it on open roads? Either way, one thing's certain. The legend continues, and the Ferrari F80 is leading the charge.